So the word defining in this video is empirical, and oops, empirical means based on observable facts. So what I mean by that is if you were trying to figure out, let's say, who had the best taco, either Jack in the Box or El Gurense, and you might argue with one of your classmates, oh, Jack in the Box has the best taco because Jack in the Box, is just a better fast food place. Or your friend might argue, no, you know what, El Gruense has the better taco. Um, they're not as big as Jack in the Box, right? They have a little bit more of a homemade feel. Um, these arguments aren't empirical, right? So let me repeat that again. They are not empirical. In order for something to be empirical, you actually have to observe and measure it. So ways you could empirically measure who has the best taco is you could go to the Jack in the Box and you could purchase the taco, and you might find, a Jack in the Box taco, only costs $1. And let's say, an El Gruense taco, costs, $1.50, right? So now we have some empirical evidence as to who has the better taco, right? But that's just one piece of evidence for a taco, right? The price is only one piece. What about the flavor, right? Maybe the flavor of the Jack in the Box taco is salty and kind of so-so. I might describe a Jack in the Box taco as maybe a little too salty, but an El Gruense taco, maybe, especially if I've added some hot sauces, kind of spicy, and I can kind of spicy, and I can, taste the actual meat of the taco. Sometimes when you get that Jack in the Box taco, you look at it and you wonder, like, what did they actually put in that? Versus, the El Gruense taco where you can actually see the meat. So that's, this here, what we've described, is empirical evidence, right? We've actually measured this.